Have you ever wondered what makes Hawaiian food so uniquely irresistible? Where bold flavors, deep-rooted traditions, and global influences come together in every bite? Whether you're a seasoned foodie or a curious traveler, Hawaiian cuisine offers a culinary journey through history, culture, and island life. This article explores six iconic Hawaiian dishes: poke, Kalua Pig, Loco Moco, Huli Huli Chicken, Spam Musubi, and the Açaí Bowl. From ancient cooking techniques to post-war ingenuity and tropical wellness trends, these beloved eats tell the story of Hawaii's diverse heritage and evolving palate. Let's begin with poke, a dish as fresh and vibrant as the islands themselves. Pronounced poke, poke is a bowl typically filled with diced ahi tuna or salmon, avocado, seaweed, sesame seeds, and served over rice. The word poke means to slice in Hawaiian, reflecting the traditional method of cutting fresh fish. Historically, native Hawaiian fishermen would season reef fish or octopus with sea salt, crushed kukui nuts, inamona, and limu seaweed, enjoying the simple snack straight from the sea. As waves of immigrants arrived, Japanese, Chinese, Korean, the dish evolved, incorporating soy sauce, sesame oil, chili, and ginger. While poke has since gone global with trendy toppings and sauces, the heart of the dish still honors the ocean's bounty and the native tradition of eating fresh, raw seafood. Moving from the sea to the earth, we find Kalua Pig, a soulful dish rooted in ancient Hawaiian celebrations. Kalua means to cook in an underground oven, and the dish is traditionally prepared by slow roasting a whole pig in an imu, a pit lined with hot lava rocks. Wrapped in banana or thai leaves and buried beneath layers of earth, the pig cooks for hours, emerging tender, smoky, and rich in flavor. More than just a meal, preparing Kalua Pig was a communal experience that brought families and villages together during special occasions and lūʻau. Though today's versions may be made in ovens or slow cookers, the original method remains a powerful symbol of Hawaiian hospitality and reverence for tradition. As Hawaiian cuisine continued to evolve, so did its comfort food. Enter Loco Moco, a hearty and satisfying dish born in the late 1940s in Hilo on the Big Island. Created by teens looking for a new and affordable lunch, Loco Moco combined a scoop of rice, a juicy hamburger patty, a sunny-side-up egg, and rich brown gravy. Its playful name, Loco, Spanish for crazy, and Moco, chosen simply for sound, hints at its casual, creative origins. The dish soon gained popularity across the islands for its satisfying blend of textures and flavors, and it remains a favorite at diners and plate lunch spots, embodying Hawaii's knack for fusion and improvisation. No Hawaiian barbecue is complete without Huli Huli Chicken, a smoky, sweet, and savory favorite that dates back to the 1950s. Huli means to turn, referencing the rotisserie-style cooking method where the chicken is continually flipped over an open flame. Created by Ernest Morgado, who used a family marinade of soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, ginger, and pineapple juice, the chicken was originally grilled between two racks at a farmer's meeting and quickly became a sensation. Morgado trademarked Huli Huli in 1958, and the dish took off at fundraisers, roadside stands, and beach gatherings. Though the original recipe remains a secret, countless adaptations today still capture the caramelized, flame-kissed flavor that defines this island classic. Another uniquely Hawaiian creation with surprising roots is Spam Musubi, a portable snack that reflects the island's multicultural past and wartime resilience. A block of white rice is topped with grilled spam and wrapped with a strip of nori, resembling Japanese onigiri or sushi. Introduced during World War II, spam was a readily available protein in military rations and became popular among local Japanese, Chinese, and Filipino families after the war. Marrying familiar elements like rice and seaweed with this canned meat, they created a snack that was affordable, filling, and delicious. By the late 20th century, Spam Musubi was everywhere, from school lunches to convenience stores, symbolizing Hawaii's ability to adapt and make the best out of any situation with creativity and flavor. To round out the culinary journey, we turn to the vibrant and refreshing Açaí Bowl, which while not native to Hawaii, has found a beloved home there. Originating in Brazil's Amazon rainforest, the acai berry was traditionally consumed in thick puree form for its energy and health benefits. In Rio's surf culture, the berry was transformed into a sweet, smoothie-like bowl topped with granola and fruit. When the trend reached Hawaii in the early 2000s, it was a perfect match for the island's health-conscious, beach-loving vibe. Today, Hawaiian-style acai bowls are piled high with bananas, strawberries, blueberries, granola, honey, and coconut, merging Brazilian superfoods with local tastes in one colorful, antioxidant-rich treat. From the deep blue ocean to underground ovens, from post-war ingenuity to tropical health trends, Hawaiian cuisine is a mosaic of stories, flavors, and identities. These dishes not only feed the body but also connect generations, preserve traditions, and celebrate the unique cultural crossroads that is Hawaii. Whether you're sampling poke by the beach or savoring Huli Huli Chicken at a backyard gathering, each bite brings you closer to the island's heart and heritage.